Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching from, good people of cryptocurrency. Looking at the market cap today, you can see we are above 400 billion. Amazing. Yesterday it was barely 400. Today is over 400. The market is at speed currently. So, if you're one of those who actually sold out when the market was or when it seemed as if the market was crashing, well, it's a pity. Okay. Anyway, today I want to talk about Lendconnect. And I tried logging in, and this is what I got: that the exchange will be shifted. Okay, and here is why. It said for a few weeks we have been communicating that we will release first version of the internet exchange on February 14th. However, this version will not have live updates and will have to manually control. Due to this, we have chosen to delay the release of the version on internet exchange and release everything at once. This means that there will be an one update instead of two, okay, which is version 1 and version 2. Another thing is that there won't be no need for you depositing Ethereum in order to successfully deposit your Lendconnect coins, okay, which is really awesome. And all current wallet data will be transferred from the old wallet to the new wallet. This has been done thoroughly, so no discrepancy between the current and the new data occurs, and so no other bugs will occur. I know there is a little bit of food in the lending space at the moment, but personally, I think I believe in Lendconnect. Okay, this is my own decision, guys. This is what I think. Okay, this is what I do. So if you're taking your actions, you should be held responsible for your own decisions. Okay, uh, let me try to log in and see what's happening. All right, so we're right in, and today the coin is over $1. Yesterday it was 89 cents. Yeah, today is over $1, and I believe my auto renewal has gone through. Yesterday I was having $7 here. And today I think, let me check if the investment was done. Oh, wallet and the wallet. So yeah, it was done $10.57, and it was auto renewed or auto reinvested yesterday, February 9th. And currently I have 7 referrals. I want to say a big thank you, shout out to those who have used my link to sign up. I really appreciate it, even though none of you have invested yet. Maybe some person is scared. I now understand there is a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt in the space at the moment, so it's perfectly understandable. But remember, whatever you do, you should be responsible for it. I'm not saying you should go ahead with it, because each of these involve you. Um, this space, there are a lot of risks in this space. Okay, you see, there are no guarantees when it comes to cryptocurrency or investing in cryptocurrencies. There are only rewards. Rewards are only things you can actually count on. All right. So that is it for Lendconnect at the moment. And for Vozex, this is a new mining platform that I'm invested in. Currently, I just have, let me see. Okay, so I currently have the profit that has been released is uh, less than 48 hours, right? So in the next 2 hours 56 minutes, this will be released into my balance, and that will make it's about this is a cent. This is a cent, okay. And I think I'll be adding more power to this maybe later today. I'll be doing that from Elder Hash. This is a Ponzi, guys. I'm not promoting this, but I just decided to invest in this in order to push money into some of these platforms, okay, in order to increase my earnings. Okay, so This is what I'm currently doing, right? So that is it. So until next time, I want you guys to have a great time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. All right, have a great time.